Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with the next topic of our syllabus, that is probability. As you all know, in ninth class we studied the experimental approach to probability. In 10th class we will be studying the theoretical approach to probability. There are few terms related to this topic, theoretical approach. Today we will discuss those few terms. I will send you the photo of the defines, but defines must be understood very properly. So to understand the defines, let's take an example of a die. When a die is rolled, one die is rolled, so you all know what are the outcomes. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first define of your syllabus is the sample space. These are all the possible outcomes that can happen when we roll a die. If I put it in bracket, it becomes a collection of outcomes. Now this collection is known as sample space. So first define is sample space. The collection of all the outcomes is known as sample space. Now second is event. Let's understand. If I say that what is the I want the number, a prime number. So out of this, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. So the collection of the favorable outcomes is known as an event. Or in other words, we can say that an event is the subset of the sample space. Subset means part of the sample space. You can see 2, 3 and 5, they are taken from the sample space. Hence this collection is a part of sample space known as event. Third is equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcomes means, if I say what is the probability of getting 1? 1 upon 6. What is the probability of getting 2? 1 upon 6. What is the probability of getting 3? 1 upon 6. 4, 1 upon 6. 5, 1 upon 6. 6, again 1 upon 6. So equally likely outcomes are the chances of the outcomes are equal. Of all the outcomes, the chances are equal. We call it as equally likely outcomes. This is the very important thing for our 10th class. All the probability of 10th class is based on equally likely outcomes. This is the assumption that all the outcomes will have equal probability.